Here's how it works. The Swift delivers a precise dose of microwave energy directly into the affected tissue using a small pen-like applicator. This energy does not kill the wart, but rapidly heats the area, triggering your body's immune system to recognize and fight off the virus that causes the wart. Only the major warts have to be treated, and the sessions are brief, with the treatment of each wart consisting of 5 to 10 applications lasting 1 to 2 seconds each. There's no tissue damage, and most patients need only 2 to 4 sessions, spaced about a month apart.